Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a really easy way in which you can play the song I Don't Want to Talk About It by Rod Stewart. I've had a request on one of my other videos as to whether there was an easy way I could show people to play this song, and I'm glad to reveal that I figured out a way you can play this just using open string chords. So I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to need step by step. However, if you do want to play this song along with the record, what you're going to need is a capo on the 2nd fret. So the chords we'll need for this song are going to be A minor, D, G. We'll need G over F sharp at one point as well during the chorus. We'll also need an E minor and a C. So they're all the chords that we're going to need for this version of how to play this song. So now we've looked at the chords, we're going to get into playing the song, starting with the verse. We're going to keep the strumming pattern super easy. We want to make this as beginner friendly as possible. We can always add to the strumming pattern at a later date. But for now, we're literally just going to play one strum per beat. So it starts with 1 bar of A minor, then 1 bar of D, and 2 bars of G. Those 4 bars repeat twice. So let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you've managed okay with the verse, we're going to move on to the chorus. Again, we're keeping it really simple with a strumming pattern. We're just going to play one strum per beat to make it as easy as possible. The chords we're going to play are as follows, starting with C for 1 bar, then a D for a bar, then we're playing 2 beats on G, and 2 beats on G over F sharp. So at that point you're just removing the middle finger and placing your first finger on the 2nd fret. Make sure you block the 5th string just underneath that, and you just keep your 3rd finger in the same position as a G chord, so the 3rd fret of string 1. After you play those 4 beats, so 2 beats on G, 2 beats on G over F sharp, you're going to play a bar of E minor. So I'm going to play the first 4 bars of the chorus all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the next 4 bars are going to consist of a bar of C, a bar of D, another bar of C, and another bar of D. So pretty straightforward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last 4 bars of the chorus is a bar of A minor, a bar of D, and 2 bars of G. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm now going to play the whole chorus all together. After 4, try and play along with me if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching today everyone, I hope that was useful. So this was just a really easy beginner friendly way in which you can play the song. The chords for the verse and chorus will repeat throughout. If you do want to play with the original track, don't forget to put the capo on fret 2. I am going to provide you in the description below a chart that details all of the chords we've covered in today's tutorial. Have a good day everyone, and I'll see you in the next lesson.